Hello and welcome to REGER Academy. In this video, I would like to explain to you the correct use of the laparoscopic nebulizer with item number 770-12 from REGER Medizintechnik. The nebulizer is delivered to you in such a cardboard packaging. Before you open the carton, please check whether the expiration date has passed. If this is the case, the product must be exchanged, as sterility can no longer be guaranteed. After you have checked the shelf life, you may open the carton and remove the blister pack. Here you can see then, in addition to the instrument, an instruction for use, and a sheet of patient labels are also supplied. These labels enable the device use to be identified later, including its lot number. Now you can open the sterile blister pack at the application site. Simply pull off the cover film and remove the fixation. Now the nebulizer can be removed together with a 3-meter long tube. The next step is the functional test, which also determines the optimum settings for the injector. This functional test must be carried out before each use on the patient. Its purpose is to prevent the treatment from being interrupted due to an automatic overpressure switch off, or the treatment result from being impaired by insufficient nebulization. You will find detailed information on how to perform the functional test in a separate video. After completing the application, please ensure that the nebulizer is disposed of properly. The device must not be used again under any circumstances, because on one hand, it is not possible to re-sterilize it, and therefore there's a high risk of infection if it is used again. And on the other hand, deposits inside can lead to a liquid not being nebulized as desired, and thus jeopardize the success of the treatment. If you have any questions about the nebulizer or a suggestion for improvement of this product or of the information provided here at REGER Academy, I would be very pleased if you could share those with us directly. You can either use the contact form on the webpage or the manufacturer's contact information on the product packaging or in the instructions for use. Thank you very much for your support and see you in the next video.